Hey guys, I'm back to another video. Ignore the light up there, but we are actually going to be replacing the taillights on the F-150. I did the third brake light already, a black third brake light. I just replaced the red one that I got. And now we're doing C-bar taillights, so let's go ahead and get into replacing these taillights. Alright, so pretty sure there's two 8mm. Let me go ahead and check. Alright. You just get the two 8mm out. Simple as that. And then you just pull. Oh, let me set this up. Sorry it's dark, guys. I wanted to get these in because I was excited about these lights. So I'm pretty sure you just kind of pull it out, I think. Just pull it like straight out. Hey, look. I think there's a few tabs. Yeah, I see them. So you gotta pull. Alright, so you gotta pull from the other side of the light and then you got it out. So then you disconnect, or you take out your bulbs. So you get your reverse, which is your green, then your brake and signal, which is your black. As you can see, I got the old one out, so I pulled on this side of it away from the body, because you can see there's these two tabs or clips. And then once you get that, you pretty much have it out. Then I can go ahead and show you all the taillights. So let's go ahead and get this one out. So the right one, I've already pulled it out the box a little bit. You can tell. Let me set this down. So, I got these off eBay. They were some replacements that I got because I wanted to replace these ones. Get like a more modern type of bulb, because as you can see, I just have the OEM stock boring one. Which actually, you won't need any of these bulbs because the new housing replaces the reverse light, as you can see, and brake light. And it's pretty much plug and play. You just gotta get your reverse light 3157 connector hooked up, and then you just disconnect to the brake light bulb thing, and then you plug the wire and harness into that. Alright, so there's a clip on this little thing right here. You push the clip in, and then this pulls out the thing that has your bulb in it, and then you get your 3157, obviously your reverse light, and you just pull that out from the base, which, yeah, right here, you pull it out from the base. So now I'm going to set the camera up, and I'm going to install this, and hopefully you'll be able to see decently. Alright, once you get all the annoying tape off, you get your 3157 or 3156 reverse light, and you line it up pretty much with the connector, and then plug that in. Then you get your OEM harness. I'm pretty sure that just clips on. Yep. Alright, clips on. Now, what I'm going to do is push this all back into the body, obviously. Then, oh, this broke off the old one. Anyways, you're going to, this LED resistor cannot be taped here, so that's great. Let me figure this out. This thing got dirty. Wipe it down. And now, what we're going to do is we're going to go test this really quick, see if it works. Alright, now as you can see, it is all working properly. And yeah, that looks really good. That is a really good looking taillight. There's the old and there's the new. Dang, that's good looking. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and do the next one and put that one back together, and we'll get back to you. Alright guys, so here's what they look like. I got them installed. Now be careful with the clips, as I actually broke them be careful because this clip I broke on both sides, and I'm about to buy the clips. I'm about to go buy some clips. But now I'll show you another kind of clip where I am gonna back up, like reverse up to it, turn on the signals, hit the brake lights, turn on and off the running lights, just so y'all can kind of get an idea of what these look like. Like, this just makes the whole truck look different, because like it's been stock forever. Man, this is so cool looking. Even if I did break the clips, we'll come back in the daytime and I'll show you all them in the daytime, even though it's dark. Now I'm just waiting for my DRL headlights. I already got my projector fog lights installed, as you can see. Yeah, as I was saying, be careful with the clips, because you'll probably end up breaking them like me. Alright guys, so it's the daytime now. I'm going to go ahead and show you all the lights. One thing you're going to want to do, if you get these lights, which I just learned, is... Oh, it's dry now. There was condensation in them this morning. Let's see if this one still has it. Yep. So what you're gonna do is I went to Dollar General and got some of this stuff, some Loctite clear silicone. What you're gonna do is go around the edges pretty much. Obviously remove it from the truck. Let this dry out. So if you already put these on and you didn't know this was gonna happen, let it dry out for a little bit, and then obviously, you know, you can go ahead and then put that back on. But other than that, I'll show you what these look like during the day, because, well, yeah, y'all couldn't see. These look super good on this truck because it kind of matches black on gray. I'm glad I picked these. I was gonna get some red lenses, but I'm glad I didn't. Glad I went with the blacks. Yeah, that's what they look like. Like I said, before you go running and installing these on your truck, make sure to just get some of that silicone. It's literally like $5. Some of this silicone, go all the way around the headlight, tail light, like where the plastic meets the housing, and seal it up really good, and then you won't have to worry about any condensation. There's plenty more videos to come on this truck because I have other things coming. So yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.